we are proud of ourselves because we able to nurture well-rounded individuals.
Our focus on intercultural understanding and character development ensures that students not only excel academically, but also grow into compassionate, globally minded individuals. At SIS Bandung, we don't just educate students, we prepare them to thrive in an interconnected world. We want to invite you to explore how SIS Bandung can be the perfect choice for your child's educational journey.